It's really easy to apply My Perfect Eyes, but there are a few golden rules that you need to follow. First up, you need clean, dry skin, and then you give the bottle a little shake, and then using a small amount just like this, you start on the inside corner and you sweep out, covering over any lines, wrinkles, dark circles, or any puffiness that you might have. And then you feather it down onto the cheekbone. Now, just to speed this up, I'm going to gently fan it. You don't necessarily have to fan it if you're at home, but it will make it dry a little bit quicker. As it starts to dry, you'll feel a really nice tight sensation, and that lets you know that it's working. Lots of people tell me that they love that sensation. However, it doesn't last as the product's flexible and it moves with the skin. That's why the tight sensation goes away. Maggie, this is working already, and remember, you can apply any makeup over the top of it as long as it's oil-free, and it will last for up to 8 hours. Take a look at the difference between your eyes now.
What a difference! And it works so quickly.